Hey, this is my 99 Toyota 4Runner, and in this video, I'm going to go ahead and fix this armrest. It's a little worn out. We'll carefully remove these little things. You just have to push those in with some pliers. Maybe use a flathead to carefully separate it. And this will just sit right there on the sides. And then we'll remove these two Phillips screws. And then we just have to remove all these little Phillips screws. And it looks like this inner cover just slides off. Now we just got to remove all of these staples. Got them all removed, and this should just pull off. I'm going to try to keep the foam underneath intact as much as I can. So a lot of this foam is missing right here. So I got a little piece of that and a hot glue gun. And I'm just gonna kind of fill that in. Okay, so I got a new cover on eBay. Supposedly it's supposed to fit. I'll leave a link down in the description below, but I'll go ahead and try to get that around there. Okay, I'll put it on a little bag or a microfiber even, so I don't mess up the new leather. And I believe this more pocketed end goes in the back. So just gonna slide that in there. I'm probably gonna have to stretch it quite a bit, but we want to get it all lined up so it's gonna look nice. I don't want it all wrinkly. And I'm just gonna use some staples. Hopefully these are gonna work. We'll do right in the middle. Yeah, this is probably not the right staple gun / staples, but it's not wanting to go in. I mean, it's kind of holding it. I think that's tight enough front to back. Now we can tighten it side to side. But I'll just keep working at it. Not exactly the right staples. They're a bit too long, but at least they didn't shoot through. Kind of bunched up. I had to do it a bunch of times, but it looks okay. It's a little weird right here, and then maybe right here, but not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it might shrink up over time. But I'll go ahead and install the plate, which kind of should help hold it as well. And I want to make sure it gets in there properly. And there we go, guys. Pretty happy with how that turned out. And then I'll go ahead and just reinstall it in reverse order. And there it is. It looks much, much better. Definitely a different color, but I like it a little lighter anyways.